So Cathie Wood has just dropped huge hints for Bitcoin and Dogecoin holders. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video, along with some other crypto updates. But before coming to it, let's take a quick view of the overall crypto market. So the global crypto market saw a brief period of recovery recently, but it has remained under pressure due to low trading activity and volatility over the past 24 hours. And while both Bitcoin and Ethereum saw a jump in valuation, other altcoins remain mixed and remained range-bound. However, as I have been saying in my previous video, such consolidations are always a good sign as they give the market room to go higher. So it is expected that the market will gain strength in the near future. Now, if we come to Bitcoin, it has retraced on the downside after closing around the 60K psychological price level. However, if Bitcoin's price retraces above the $58,000 support and rebounds, the 60K resistance will be breached and Bitcoin will be out of the downward correction. Additionally, while Bitcoin has remained sideways, Bitcoin whales have accumulated a whopping $2.3 billion worth of tokens. According to on-chain data provider Santiment, Bitcoin whales have accumulated about 40,000 Bitcoins during the last week. Moreover, crypto analyst Plan B is now reversing his prediction of Bitcoin hitting the 98K mark by the end of November. He recently stated in a tweet that the floor model on which he made 98K estimate for the month of November will likely fall short of the goal. However, he said that as per his S2F model, Bitcoin is still on track to reach $100,000 by the end of 2021. Now it's worth noting that Plan B's predictions have been accurate in the past. They were successful back in August, September, and October, and he has also been accurate with his bearish predictions, correctly forecasting the market's previous bear storm. So I think it is important to keep an eye on his prediction of Bitcoin hitting the 100K mark, and I think this prediction can be accurate since whales have been showing more and more interest in accumulating the coin. Besides, we have been witnessing the rising adoption of Bitcoin, so it is highly likely that Bitcoin can surge higher by the end of this year. In addition, it appears that Cathie Wood is also very optimistic for Bitcoin and eventually Dogecoin. Recently, she gave an interview to CNBC and stated that despite the present market conditions, she is more bullish on Bitcoin than bearish. She further discussed the finer elements of Bitcoin's fundamentals, arguing that they made it a rational investment for her organization and other investors. According to Wood, the overall economy may soon become deflationary as inflation is declining, and this is why Bitcoin is more than a hedge against inflation. So Bitcoin will continue to play a critical role in mitigating counterparty risk and avoiding confiscation until inflation concerns subside. She further emphasized that Bitcoin will always have a place as a rules-based global private monetary network on a scale never seen before. And when asked whether the current market is a good time to invest, Wood said that more indications were flashing green than red. In short, it appears that Wood believes Bitcoin is a significant asset class and a new monetary system capable of more than merely inflation protection. In addition, I had previously made a video about Cathie Wood forecasting that the value of Bitcoin will go near the $500,000 level in 5 years. And coming to this prediction, Wood said that institutional investment in Bitcoin is increasing and it will propel Bitcoin to $500,000. Now, here's why her Bitcoin prediction is significant for Dogecoin. As you can see, the correlation between Dogecoin and Bitcoin has climbed to 0.7, up significantly from 0.5 last week. And I think her comments are very important for Dogecoin since a bullish outlook for Bitcoin means Doge is also looking bullish. So this is a clear indication that a bull run for Bitcoin means a bull run for Dogecoin. And there is no doubt that both coins share equal significance both as an asset class and as means of payment. As a result, it is fairly evident that if Bitcoin experiences a significant spike, Dogecoin is very likely to follow suit. In addition, as we go back to September, Cathie Wood revealed that ARK Invest's future exposure to crypto would be around 60% Bitcoin and 40% Ethereum since their interest has grown in Ethereum owing to the Ethereum's proof-of-work to proof-of-stake transition. Now we know that Dogecoin will probably transition from a proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake. As ARK is investing in ETH as a result of the proof-of-stake shift, it is quite likely that the firm will also invest in Doge. And if it happens, Dogecoin is going to get a major endorsement from one of the most successful investors in the world. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Cathie Wood's bullish outlook for Bitcoin is right? And what do you think about Dogecoin's high correlation with Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments section below. And with that being said, let's jump to some important crypto updates. So Turkey's national currency, the lira, has lost about 15% of its value during this week. And it appears that Turkish citizens have abandoned the lira in favor of alternative assets marketed as inflation hedges, the most popular of which are gold and Bitcoin. And as per reports, Bitcoin Turk, one of the local exchanges that offers crypto trading, has seen a noticeable increase in volume. And this rise in volume in the crypto exchange suggests that Turkish citizens are losing faith in the lira and have responded by purchasing Bitcoin with their remaining resources. Now I think that Turkey is now developing into a case study of Bitcoin's potential benefits for people of countries with fragile and easily manipulated currencies, or for residents of countries with authoritarian governments who artificially inflate their currency supply for short-term political gain. And I think that the Turkish government is now laying the groundwork for Turkey to adopt the leading crypto Bitcoin, whether intentionally or unintentionally. Similarly, Ricardo Salinas Pliego, Mexico's third richest billionaire, has recently recommended investors to purchase Bitcoin immediately. He also stated that the United States is becoming increasingly similar to any other irresponsible third world country by not showing much interest on the crypto sector. In addition, he said that Bitcoin is the new gold, noting that it is far more portable since transporting Bitcoin is so easier than carrying gold bars. He also believes that Bitcoin has a bright future and has the potential to alter the world. So it's now becoming evident that more and more individuals and organizations are now appreciating the worth of the crypto sector. And I think this will eventually lead to the mainstream adoption of cryptos around the globe. And in a similar context, a recent report by the Bank of Russia revealed that Russians are among the most active players in the crypto sector, with annual crypto transactions totaling $5 billion. The Bank of Russia also mentioned in the report that the Russian Federation is a global leader in terms of Binance crypto exchange visits. In addition, it was revealed that Russia is also one of the world's largest Bitcoin mining countries, ranking third in terms of national hash rates. However, despite acknowledging Russia's leadership position in the global crypto market, the Bank of Russia highlighted several significant risks associated with the crypto industry, including those related to financial stability, investor protection, money laundering, and criminal financing. But their concerns are not stopping the Russians to participate in crypto trading, since people are not looking to abandon this emerging industry. And now coming to the next update, a recent report has revealed that the Bitcoin network already processes more dollar value transactions than PayPal, and it can also overtake MasterCard as early as 2026. As per the report, the Bitcoin network has executed over $489 billion in quarterly transactions in 2021, which is more than PayPal's $302 billion. And after only 12 years since its inception, Bitcoin now processes around 27% of MasterCard's $1.8 trillion in quarterly transactions and 15% of Visa's $3.2 trillion in quarterly transactions. So this data reveals that the Bitcoin network will propel to the level of the two credit card industry behemoths in terms of total volume processed, the total number of transactions, the average amount of Bitcoin transmitted each transaction, and the increase in the price of Bitcoin. And seeing this, I think that the Bitcoin network has shown significant growth despite the fact that it is still in its infancy. And it is now a matter of time that it will reach new heights and leave other industries behind. And now coming back to Dogecoin, at the time of recording this video, it is trading around 20 cents, and it appears that bulls are currently dealing with overhead pressure from the 22 cents resistance level. And as I was saying all along that Doge may go as low as 18 cents, it now appears that Doge is headed towards this level. However, Dogecoin will resume its upward trajectory once it hits the 18 cents mark, and if support at 20 cents holds and Doge flips the resistance at 22 cents into support, bulls will kickstart the uptrend that is likely to see Dogecoin hit the 25 cents market, confirming a bullish breakout. So what are your expectations from Dogecoin? Do you think it is going to break through this ongoing price correction and reach new highs? Let me know in the comments section below. And this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.